All right, people, I got a great plan for BA. So BA is set up to test 194 to 196 on the low end quickly to even 200. Okay, so I mean this trade could be split up in two different option trades, but for this one here on the starter, we're looking for these type of targets 194 to 196. I do think 200 is on its way. This is set up kind of like the time when we took this one here back in February. I released an option plan for BA and it created 400% gains. This was the one last run. Before I haven't talked about BA any again because what I'm all about, people, is I look for high probable setups. Okay, and that's the reason why we can have a high win rate. Okay, and part of the high win rate requires that the stocks follow the rules. Okay, and BA did so. Actually, I actually paid up a little higher. It was actually this day was the entry day. It was really confirming on this day, and actually got in on this day, because then we got the volume. We didn't get the volume over here. We got the volume over here, and then this took off. Okay, did very well. All right. So, anyways, now we're talking about a new plan here, and these are the targets. And these July 16 192.5 calls could be used. So BA needs to break above 191 on some good action volume, and good action volume is about 200K on a 10-minute chart. Now I'll explain the facts in the video. So for example, if we don't get that volume at 191, I do want to see the power and pressure coming into this thing. So because we want to get momentum. When you're with weekly options, we want momentum. At the same time, if we do confirm, as long as BA stays above 190, there shouldn't be an issue and we should be able to catch the move. Okay, but anyways, if we don't get the confirmation of volume between the one, then I would look for some basing above 191 and look for power towards 191.20 to 191 and a half to even 191.75. I'm going to be looking for a combination of the volume or the right price pressure. This one, it doesn't always make it, this stock doesn't make it clear, but it's a high probable setup, much like back over here when I was talking about this. It's the same thing here. Even though the market conditions are very, very well, they're going to be more volatile. We can see that even though we had that Friday drop in the markets with the QQQs being weak and Apple dropping, this stock was very solid setup, and this is why again, we're in a bullish choppy market, and so like bearish setups can work, so can the right bullish setups. And this is a solid setup. So let's go take a look at the options. All right, so here we are at the Yahoo Finance, and Boeing closed at 190.03 on June the 9th. And here are the June 16 options up here. And we're going to go take a look at the 192 and a half calls. Okay. The beautiful thing about these is the spreads are tight, and the volume could come in the option trading as well. There is open interest here. You can see there's open interest over here, and there's a lot of open interest over here. But this is a good one, and it probably would confirm it around 70 to 80 cents. I would approximate. Okay. And the option trading should come in. We notice that this does have very tight spreads, and therefore that'll be a nice indicator. But really, you can see this very nice tight spreads. All right, we're here at Power Target Trades, the place where I post solid plans. One of my last plans was Goldman Sachs over here. 200%. Actually, this 200% this hit my my targets, but even exceeded that on Friday, regardless of the market being negative. That was the power of it. AMD doing very, very well as well. Of course, we're going to have some scratch out like breakout trade. I exited the Facebook on break even. AMD did do well, but pulled back too much. A lot of people could have made profits or take a break even. There's just technology stocks took a hit. However, a lot of the right stocks like J&J, MS, GS, of course the banking stocks or pharmaceutical stocks actually did very well with their gains. Again, this is a great place to review videos, to be able to listen to my instructions. I give detailed instructions in the videos. People like the BA trade. I put a lot of analysis into the plans. It's about quality versus quantity. There are other things that I do, but right now what I'm focusing on is the quality, high probability setups to be posted here on Power Target Trades. This is why you're seeing this BA plan. If you haven't already subscribed to my YouTube channel, Power Target Trades, I suggest you subscribe. See the Standard Power Trigger Trade? I'm going to post it here. It's going to appear here in a circle format at the end of the video. Simply click on it. It's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. Of course, you can come subscribe manually. Again, confirmation is key. Study the videos, people. Visit daily. Follow Power Trigger Trade for updates and confirmation. I make great plans, people. Thanks for listening. Like the video.